So hey, hello everybody, welcome to my channel. So today I got the new AirPods 2. So as you can look at here, AirPods. So I have already opened it to not take any trouble. So I opened it and I have checked. So again I have kept it inside. So let's check this out. The same designed by Apple in California. Instructions. Here's the Apple AirPods 2. Let's keep it side. Coming to the down, we have the charger cable. So it's the lightning cable. Yeah. So let's check this out. The AirPods 2. Okay, let's open the cover. Yeah. So here are the Apple AirPods 2. Yeah. So totally all superb. So let's take this out. Sorry. Yeah. Let's take this out too. So here are the AirPods. Looking great. So that's it for now. So gonna bring another something special on our next video, and very soonly there's a surprise for my viewers. So stay tuned to my videos. Thank you.